clear that the NRA has been failing to carry out its stated mission for many, many years, and instead has operated as a breeding ground for greed, abuse, and brazen illegality.
Attorney General James says 4 current and former top executives of the NRA treated the gun advocacy group like their personal piggy banks. She says Wayne LaPierre in particular, as the organization's public face, abused the nonprofit's resources, spending millions on lavish trips, funneling money to friends and family for doing little or no work, and intimidating and firing anyone who raised objections. James says over a 3-year period, the NRA hemorrhaged $63 million because of the schemes. And even though the NRA's dues-paying members could be viewed as victims of this alleged behavior, James says the whole organization should still be dissolved.
Because the corruption was so broad, and because of the level of waste, and because they have basically destroyed all of the assets of the corporation.
In response, the NRA, which tends to support Republicans, called the lawsuit by James, a Democrat, political, responding on Twitter in part, it's a transparent attempt to score political points and attack the leading voice in opposition to the leftist agenda. The NRA has endorsed President Trump's re-election bid.
That's a very terrible thing that just happened. I think the NRA should move to Texas and lead a very good and beautiful life.
When pressed today, James insisted the investigation is not about politics, though she's often spoken out about gun control.
So this has nothing to do with my personal opinion with regards to gun violence. This has to do with the fact that 4 individual defendants and the NRA as a corporation, unfortunately, did not follow not-for-profit law in the state of New York.